So I get it if you're afraid to use AI. Maybe you've watched tutorials on YouTube and yet you still don't get it, right? And you're a non-techie person, just like I am, but you have been watching all of these TikTok creators making money with Faceless AI TikTok videos, and you want to get in on the action. You want to create videos just like this, but they look super complicated to create. Well, I just replicated some of these top TikTok faceless accounts using a couple of simple tools. And I'm going to show you exactly how you can create videos just like this, just like you're seeing here, and how you can start posting these on TikTok and start making some money. So I'm going to go over a quick tutorial here on how to do that. So stick around. If you've been nervous about AI, you don't know how to use it, but you want to get in on the action, start making money with these faceless AI videos, then let me show you a couple of tools that I've been using to replicate videos just like this. Okay, so I have ChatGPT open here first because before I share with you how to create AI images that you can turn into mini faceless TikTok videos, you're first going to need a script for your video, right? What is your faceless video going to be about? Now, you don't need to overcomplicate this. What I essentially do is I see what's already out there working. So you can see on the Simply How Faceless TikTok account, they have tons of these videos that are basically just curiosity type of based videos. They're videos about how things work or what things happened or how things happen in life. Very, very simple, okay? And so I'm going to replicate a script that they have here about why do your farts smell? Now, it's a very intriguing topic. It might not necessarily be of interest to you, but obviously it does get a lot of views. It has over 100,000 views on this video. So people are interested in this video, okay? And this is a rather short video, but I'm going to show you how they were able to get that many views. And it's because of this one tip that I'm going to give you that a lot of the faceless marketing gurus don't actually tell you. They actually tell you to go and buy this different softwares so that you can get these amazing scripts. But I'm going to give you this tip where you can save some money. You don't need to buy any sort of expensive software to do this, okay? Okay, so this is how you become an expert storyteller without actually becoming an expert storyteller, okay? So this is going to be very, very simple, but it's going to be very powerful, okay? So this is what I do. You go to ChatGPT. Now I'm going to give you a prompt to use, whatever your video is about. Now in our case, we're going to be using a prompt that is going to help us create a video script about why do farts smell, okay? Now I'm going to go to my website. Now I have the link down below because I actually already wrote this entire faceless TikTok video blog post out. So you can check it out. If you don't want to watch the video, you can go ahead and just read through all of this. But otherwise, I'm going to leave the link down below. Simply go to that blog post, copy and paste this prompt here, go to ChatGPT. Now, again, you can use ChatGPT for free. I do have the paid version because I use it for other reasons and for more extensive uses. Go ahead and paste this here. Now, what you're seeing here is you have something that says, I'm creating a faceless TikTok video. You're telling ChatGPT what you're doing, right? I talk to ChatGPT like it's my friend. Now, in a fun and engaging tone, write a 175-word script for my video. The reason I say 175-word script is because I've noticed that gives me just about over a minute long video, and that is what you're going to need if you want to get monetized with the creator program for TikTok. So I do a 175-word script for my video using the ADA model. Now, if you've not heard about that, that is a model that is very popular in the marketing world. It stands for attention, interest, decision, and action. Now, this is what people do to get people to take action, a desired action that they want. And in our case, we are creating a short form video for TikTok that we want people to see all the way through from beginning to the end. Okay. You can also use the ADA model for doing copywriting scripts for email marketing, or if you're doing blog writing. You can do this for so many different marketing things. But in this case, we're going to create an awesome video here. Okay. Now I included why do farts smell. Now, whatever your faceless video topic is about, go ahead and enter that into the script. But again, we are going to just try to replicate the script or somewhat of an engaging script that we already know works really well, okay, that people are interested in. Now, start the script with an attention-grabbing sentence. That's just because you need to pull people into your video right away so that they can continue watching more and so that TikTok can go ahead and push it out to other people. Now, look at this amazing script that free ChatGPT writes for me for my video, and they can do this for your video. Now, I always use this, all right? So look at this. Ever wondered why farts smell like rotten eggs? Let's break it down, right? That's an attention-grabbing first sentence that just gets people to pull in. And then if you just read the entire script, it is very short, but it is very engaging. And this is exactly what you need, okay? So we have our script here, and this is going to save you a lot of money in software tools. You have a free script right here. So now let's go over to another tool, and I'm going to show you how to create now an image that you can go ahead and create into a short form video. Here we go. So the tool that I'm using is Leonardo AI. This is a tool that you are going to use to create your AI image of the character that you want to be the focus of your faceless TikTok video, okay? So there is a link underneath this video for you to sign up for Leonardo AI. You will get some free credits. I believe also if you do continue on and go to the paid account, that there is a special promotion that you will receive through my link. I'm not 100% sure, but I do believe that that is the case. Either way, you can go ahead and sign up for a free account with the link down below so you can try this out. Now, I use Leonardo AI for lots of different things. And one of the things that I have been using it more recently to do is to create images for my blog post. Okay, so as you can see here, this is an image I recently created using Leonardo AI. But for purposes of this video, we are going to create a TikTok image so that we can use for our faceless videos. So I'm not going to do a full review of Leonardo AI. There are a lot of different things going on here. You can play around with this and the different features, but I am going to show you a couple of things. So first off, you want to make sure that you have the sizing correct, right? And so I want to size this for TikTok. So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to make sure that I am sized correctly for TikTok. So that's all you have to do. Make sure you have that TikTok setting going. And then this is basically what kind of the preset is, what style of image that you want. Now, again, this is going to be a lot of different playing around. You can do like anime style, you can do cinematographic, you can do all sorts of stuff. Right now, I'm going to leave it at Leonardo Phoenix, which is one of their newer features as of the time of this recording. Then what I'm going to do is, because I'm not great at creating prompts and actually coming out with images that I really like, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to give me a prompt that I can give to Leonardo AI that is going to create an image that I am looking for. Now, this is not going to be perfect, but it's going to be better than if I myself entered a prompt into Leonardo AI. Okay, so I just came up with something that I had an idea of, and that is similar to what this video kind of looks like. And so I asked ChatGPT to give me a prompt to give Leonardo AI. Let's see how this prompt comes out. Might need to tweak it, but we'll just go ahead and enter it and see what it gives us. So I enter that prompt. Next thing I'm going to do is hit generate. Now down here, I have that I want it to generate 3 different images. So it's going to do that. It's going to take a couple seconds. So I'm going to cut out for a second and I'll be right back and you'll see the images. All right, so these are the images that Leonardo AI created for me with the prompt that I entered. Now, I could go ahead and continue tweaking this. Like, for example, I would like the green smoky fart to be a little bit further down the guy's torso so it actually looks like it's coming out of the right area. I can decide that I want to change his hair color. I can decide that I want to change the background, right? So you can just continue tweaking your prompt to the way that you want your image to come out. But this is actually not bad for the first time. Like, it actually looks really good, like if some sort of graphic designer created this for you, right? Now, if you really are having a lot of trouble creating a character that you like, I'm going to give you a quick little cheat, okay? I'm going to give you a quick little cheat, and I'm just going to show you a little bit of how to do this, because I actually, I do use this quite a bit, and I just don't want to show you all of my images. But there is a feature in Leonardo AI where you can go ahead, you can enter your prompt, such as I have here, right? Go ahead, press this button on the corner, and you see where it says style reference, references the aesthetic from an image to influence the output. You can essentially upload an image along with your prompt and say, hey, I want you to closely mimic an image that is in the similar style as this image. So if you find something that you like, if you find videos, images that you like, you can go ahead and do a screenshot, upload that, and then it will say, okay, do you want it to be very similar to that image, which I would say, don't make it very similar. You're not trying to exactly replicate another faceless TikTok video, but you can do, something that is very similar. So I normally put it in medium. Now, if you just go ahead and into Leonardo AI, just hit the style reference, you'll see what I'm talking about. Okay. But I'm not going to go through it because it's going to show all of the different images that I tend to reference. But essentially, that is how you create your AI image. Now, I'm going to show you how you animate this because there is a feature within Leonardo AI. I found that it's not like the greatest or maybe it's just the way that I'm using it, but I found another way to animate my images. And then I'm going to show you, after I show you that, I'm going to show you a short faceless video that I did, at least portions of it, so you can see how this would look like all together. Okay, here we go. All right, so I'm still in my Leonardo AI account, and this is an image that I created. You can see my exact prompt right here. Okay, so I created this image. I downloaded this image, then I went ahead and I went over to Canva because Canva has this really great feature where you can upload an image and it will go ahead and give it a 4 to 5 second animation. Now, before I just show you what that app is here on Canva, let me show you how this image transformed into a 4-second animation over here, okay? Here's a still image. Leonardo created it for me. Here I am in Canva. Take a look at this. Look at that. It created a mini motion video for me out of that one image, right? Like that was really, really neat. And that's just one image. I actually created an entire video, faceless video using the exact same technique that I'm sharing with you here, because you can see a lot of my video is here. Now I did go ahead and edit it in my Camtasia editor, but I could ideally do everything here. Let me show you another image that I animated. And I actually show you this in my blog post, but I'm just kind of like moving around because I want to show you some really neat ones like that I was still working on. But like, look at this right here, where like, this is an image that I created in Leonardo AI. Look at what it did when I went ahead and uploaded it to Canva to animate, right? So I did a lot of these images. This one's really nice. I like that one. Look at the water falling on the background, right? So if you kind of want to do one of the momentary, whatever the other TikTok faceless video was that I showed you, you can use kind of like a Van Gogh, prompt in Leonardo AI. But basically everything I show you is written in my blog post. Again, I'm going to post that link down below. So if you want to see exactly how I did this, but let me show you the app that I use, because I do show it here in my blog post. So it's called Image Animate. Okay. So you would have to go over here into the apps and then just enter Image Animate. And I don't have a new project right now, which is why I'm not doing it at the moment. But if you go to my blog post, I show you exactly how to create this. And you go to Image Animate, upload a photo, go to Image Animate in your apps, and then let it go. And then it will take a few seconds and it will animate your picture. So essentially what you're doing is you're putting a storyboard together of all these different images that you are creating within Leonardo AI. You're coming over here to Canva and you are animating those images and creating an entire story. Okay. I'm going to show you just part of a video that I created so you can see how this came out. If you want to know how I added the subtitles, go ahead to the blog post. I share all of the nitty gritty details there. But just to not make this video too long, let me show you how some of this short form faceless TikTok video came out. I mean, it is pretty insane what you can do right now with Leonardo AI, ChatGPT, and Canva. Here you go.
And holding each other through the valleys. Together, you turn struggles into strength and joys into everlasting memories. In this wild dance of life, these bonds are your anchors, giving you strength and reminding you that you're never alone. They are the constellations guiding you through the darkest nights and the brightest days. So, let's honor these incredible connections, treasure every laugh, every tear, every shared silence, and every heartfelt conversation. Let your hearts remember the beauty of these moments, for you're truly lucky to have each other.